The Mark 6 gravity tub is ready for operation. I've got a garbage can mostly full of water with a 1/4 inch plastic tubing coming from the bottom. The tubing makes its way across the yard. Until it arrives at the clothesline pole. One feature that this latest version has is a small capillary tube welded to the end of the 1/4 inch tubing. Now, if I lift this higher than the tub, theoretically I should get it to drain wanted it to drain a little bit because the food coloring is dissipating. Okay, well, you get the idea. The level of the water in the gravity tub is reflected by this level indicator way over here. And the level is hard to see. But one thing that I've learned is there's quite a bit of capillary action on a small diameter tube, and I'll demonstrate that momentarily. Different video probably. But I want to let everything come to equilibrium. So I've got the gravity tub open to the atmosphere, and the capillary tube at the far end open to the atmosphere. So now the next step is to let things settle and then add a significant mass down here. Supposedly, if the theory of gravity is a thing that will cause a downward pressure on the gravity tub, and that will result in a level change on the far end. Now, the important thing is it doesn't matter what that far level is to begin with, and it really doesn't matter how much capillary action is on the far end. If I'm able to produce a level change, perfect timing. If I'm able to produce a level change by only adding mass underneath the gravity tub, then that will demonstrate the force due to gravity. The lead added underneath the gravity tub is going to pull down on the water in the tub. And because we're going to a large volume to a tiny volume, then any change in the height here should produce an amplified level change on the far end. So what could go wrong? Well, there's plenty that could go wrong. A garbage tub full of water is significantly heavy. It destroyed the first couple of frames that I attempted. Still haven't recovered all the screws from that failed version. But this one's sturdy. And it's on wheels, so I can roll it out of the way. So letting things come to equilibrium. Let things dry out from my playing with the capillary tube on the far end. And then we'll add some mass and see what happens. Backyard science. Gotta love it.